Whoa! Clickbait? No, not here. Yes, that's a free Audi S4, and it does have mold on it. You saw that right. Let's get back to the video.
Oh. Hey guys, I got this car for free. Now you gotta watch us fix it up. Now I got this car for free, but it was not easy. I had to drive 8 hours to Seattle and back just to grab this car with the trailer. This car belonged to my uncle for 14 trusting years. The reason I'm getting it for free is because it started to get a water leak and you have to disassemble everything just to access the front of the engine. That is how much space you have to work with. So Michael and I are going to tear it apart and see what happens. But first, we got to scrub it up. But first, we gotta clean it up.
Blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love that feeling. No.
Done.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready.
This looks incredible. I am in awestruck. It literally looks perfect. Are you kidding me? Holy crap. Now we're gonna see if it drives.
You want your hand driving the manual?
Sure. Here we go.
People ask me, are you frustrated or are you cheesed that your best friend went on a test drive in this abandoned Audi that had been sitting for 3 years with his wife? No, just not even a big deal. I didn't want to come on the test drive. It's totally fine. I don't know why you guys are worried. It's not even a big deal.
Oh my goodness, you're so shiny. Wish I didn't have to take you apart. Ta-da! And now we gotta put the bolts back. But this part's gonna take a while, so why don't we just... Ta-da! Isn't that so easy? That took me like 3 hours.
Yeah, I'm not so sure about that 3 hours.
That took me 6 hours.
Okay, that's more like it.
Hello, Max. Okay, so we do have a culprit for the leak. It is on the radiator housing. I'm gonna try patching this radiator up until I can get a new one. And how I'm gonna do that is with a little bit of plastic welding and a little bit of JB Weld.
Ooh, so creamy.
Temporary patches in place. Throw it back in and see if it's fixed. A couple changes. What do I say?
You look very beautiful.
And again, that was just a temporary fix. I'm waiting for the other radiator to come in to get it properly fixed. But for right now, this is good enough.
This is Michael from the future. Over a month later, and he still hasn't even purchased the radiator. That man has zero intention of purchasing a new radiator. This will be a permanent fix.
I forgot to film it, but the car's back together. And so far, no drips. So I did a couple upgrades too. Blacked out the grille, put on a splitter. And I tinted the taillights. Don't worry, it's legal. And now I present to you my free car. just want to give a special thanks to my Uncle Darren for giving me this car and letting me make it roadworthy again. I've had an absolute blast with it, and it has made me fall in love with working on cars again. This car has been incredible, and I'm looking forward to the memories I'll make with it.
I love how shiny your wheels are.
Can you see the moss still? No, look at the moss. Shiny.
Anything for the shot.